How to remove recommended videos from your YouTube homepage. YouTube uses your watch and search activity to decide which videos appear in your recommended feed. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear that activity and reset your recommendations. First, go to youtube.com and sign into your account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Google Account. From the menu on the left, open Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you find YouTube History, then click on it. Next, look for the option to delete your history. Select Delete, choose Delete All Time, and confirm by clicking the Delete button. Once your YouTube history has been cleared, return to the YouTube homepage and refresh the page. Your personalized recommendations should now be removed or significantly reduced because YouTube no longer has your previous activity to use. Keep in mind that YouTube will begin rebuilding your recommendations as soon as you start searching for and watching new videos. So, if you want to keep your homepage free from personalized recommendations, you may also need to pause your YouTube watch and search history. And that's how you can reset or remove recommended videos on YouTube. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.